Hello from another beach in Öland, in the Böda area. This is Fagerrör, a wild beach around 6 kilometers away from Böda, and you can find your own inner peace on this beach. And apart from pebbles on the beach, you can find also some sandy areas like I found this one and made my camp. Actually, I was walking and running first to the very end of the coast, in the northmost coast here in Böda, at Engjärnsudden, was it called? It was a total of 8.6 kilometers from Böda, and then I have walked back here. It's around 2.5 kilometers from there, which means I have 6 kilometers left to come back to Böda. And so I decided to visit this beach, as it is mentioned as a beach on Google Maps. Fagerrör is the name. It is now 6 p.m. and it is 19 degrees Celsius in the air. In the sea it is 18 degrees. I already went for a swim in here as part of my TikTok dance to Europapa. So I will take another swim now for this video and beach adventure in order to make it in the right content and format for YouTube as long video. So follow me as we explore the sea, which looks super amazing. As this is facing east, we have the sun in the back. That's gonna set on the other west coast of Öland. That's only around 10 kilometers away from here, that I'm going to explore some other day. Today is 24th of June, day 6 of my vacation, Sweden vacation, and this here is absolutely amazing. It has the beauty of Böda, but also you can be on your own. Because I was passing by Böda Sand, the main camping, the most popular camping in the area, and the beach was super crowded. People were like clamming in 10 square meters. There were like 100 people. When they can walk for 100 meters and be all on their own. I will also visit later Homrevet, another beach along the coast, which was super nice. And then also the nudist beach, Böda Sand. So Böda Sand is also nudist and public beach. I was passing by on my run, and there were a lot of people on the nudist beach as well as on the public, because it is super hot today. The sun is back and it's amazing to explore the beaches on the coast, especially for my beach adventures on YouTube. So I'm filming this with the GoPro, if you haven't noticed. That's why I can go underwater. And yeah, the water seems nice. 18 degrees Celsius sounds about right. And then I can't believe I just walked all the way to the end, and from that end as well. So yeah, anyway, cool. Now let's take a swim in this beautiful setting right here at Fagerrör. So let's go. I love it. It's so nice and refreshing. That was an extra long dive from my end. So yes, this is Fagerrör in Öland, on the northeast coast of the island. And yeah, that's a wrap for another beach adventure on my channel. So thank you so much for watching this episode. Make sure to subscribe for more beach adventures from Öland, Sweden and the rest of the world on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.